The easiest way to find the exact values of sine and cosine of 7 pi over 4 would be to use the unit circle. To find the sine of 7 pi over 4, you would find 7 pi over 4 on the unit circle, which is over here in quadrant 4, and the sine value and the y value are the same. So that means that the sine of 7 pi over 4 is going to be the negative square root of 2 over 2. So this would be negative square root of 2 over 2. And then I'm going to do something really similar to figure out the cosine value. The cosine, oops, I wanted to use a different color. The cosine value of 7 pi over 4 would be the same as the x coordinate of your point on the unit circle. So that answer would be positive square root of 2 over 2. So that's the easiest way. If you didn't want to use the unit circle, so if you didn't have it memorized and you wanted to just do it from scratch every time, which would be fine, the first thing I would do is take 7 pi over 4 and I would change it into degrees. So the way that you do that is by multiplying by 180 over pi. Your pi's are going to cancel each other out, and then you would multiply 7 times 180 and divide by 4, and you should get 315 degrees. So the next thing we would do is draw that angle on my coordinate plane here. So 270 and 360 are the numbers that kind of section off quadrant 4, and 315 is exactly in between those. So I would draw my line right here. So this would be my 315 degree angle, and then I would make my triangle here. Now I need to know what my reference angle is. In quadrant 3 to find your quadrant 4 to find your reference angle, you take 360 minus your angle. So 360 degrees minus 315 degrees would give you 45. So this right here would be your reference angle of 45. And if I know that angle is 45, I also know this angle towards the bottom is also 45. Now that I know that I have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, I'm going to fill in my missing sides. So hypotenuse is always 1, and then each side, each leg of the triangle is the square root of 2 over 2. But because my y value, so let me mark these down. This would be my x coordinate, or my x value and my y value. Since my y value is going down, it's actually going to be negative. So this ordered pair down here would be the point positive square root of 2 over 2 and then negative square root of 2 over 2. Now that we have this, I know that my x coordinate is always going to be the cosine, and sine will always be the y coordinate. So now I can go back up here and I would have my two answers. So the sine of 7 pi over 4 would be this one here. And then the cosine of 7 pi over 4 would be this one here. So same answers I got at the very beginning. The unit circle is just faster once you already have it done.